The new project is called Luminare, located 28 Peerless Avenue in Mermaid Beach on the Gold Coast. The location is what attracted us to this development. It's 200 metres from the beach, which is obviously one of the best beaches in the world, where you can see down to the Gold Coast. And then it's 200 metres from Pacific Fair. It's, I think, rated the third largest shopping centre in Australia, and it's the centrepiece of the Gold Coast. Everyone knows about Pacific Fair and everyone goes to Pacific Fair. It's great to be located close to the beach, close to shopping centres, close to restaurants. I mean, what more can you want? This development is going to be a mixture of properties. It'll be 2 townhouses, 6 apartments. Of the 6, there'll be 2 penthouses with rooftop pools. Downstairs there'll be a double basement. In the basement there'll be a pool. There'll be a sauna, spa, barbecue, etc., all those amenities. And then the second basement will have a cellar and gym for the whole development. It's taken a little bit of time to curate the look and feel of the building. We've gone through a few iterations of how it's going to look like, how people are going to live in the building, how they're going to use the building, etc. We're kind of developing the building in 2 sections. So there'll be the bottom section, which will be the first 3 levels, and that's going to have more of a rectangular box shape with a few angles attached to it. And then you're going to have this like floating platform, which would be the penthouses. So from the street, the penthouses on top is going to look like it literally floating above the building. It's super cool to be able to develop something where it's a bit unique. You don't want to see something that you're just replicating whatever's around the corner or the next street. And then the townhouses themselves will have spas in the backyard. And I mean, it is so cool to have this type of mix use of properties in one development. Gold Coast is a maturing market. Over the next 10 years, even though interest rates and the economy and inflation and all these pressures that are happening at the moment, it's one of those markets that you won't see so much drop in terms of prices. In fact, it probably will still be increasing slightly over the next 2 or 3 years until we stabilise over this period. Mermaid Beach is the only area in the Gold Coast that has low rise. You'll see it's the last section of Gold Coast where you only get 2, 3, 4 level buildings. And so that also provides that exclusivity, it provides the value and that premium feel of the property that you're going to be buying. Around the corner, literally on Hedges Avenue, we're talking 200 metres, 250 metres away. Sunland just completed that project and you had apartments selling in there for over $7 million. We're not even expecting $7 million for our apartment. It'd be amazing if we did. But what we've seen in the marketplace, we're going to be averaging between $3 to $5 million in that sort of range. Considering the amenities, considering the size that we're going to bring to market, it's going to be fantastic.